only 8 weeks old, so he's 0. He's a boy. He's a Pomeranian. He very wild. He is a mixed colors of between black and brown, and yeah. Here he is playing with his blinky that I gave him, because he likes these because they feel like tags, and because he loves tags, and he loves tug of war. Okay, so that was one toy. And as you can see, he doesn't want to let go. Here he is on his belly, or on his back. Meeting our new puppy, Diesel. I can't wait to share all the videos of him growing up. Give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Bye!